Welcome back to the channel, guys. Britain from above here. No flying today. Got 50-mile-an-hour winds hitting the UK. There's a storm on the way again. So today we're going to be fitting these instead. The Master Airscrew props, made in the USA. A direct replacement for the original ones. Now these props, on the Master Airscrew website, they claim to be 2 decibels lower sound, to give 1 minute extra flight time, more power in any circumstances, situations where you might need the extra power. And they also come in, I think it's 5 different colours. The red, black, orange, yellow and blue. I've gone for the red, obviously to match the drone. That's probably one of the reasons I bought them, to be honest. But hopefully they will be a bit quieter. And I have heard that they give a slightly different pitch as well. So it'll be interesting to see whether these claims of what they actually do are right. Let's open them up. We'll see if there's any actual difference to the size comparing them to the originals. I'll show you the placement for them, fitting of them, and then we'll check the decibels. I've got a little decibel app on the phone, so it's not ideal, but it'll give a rough idea of the sound difference. I've got my trusty scales as well, so we're going to use them, see if there's any weight difference. Let's jump straight into it. Just tilt this camera down. Okay, so let's have a look, see what we've got. So they come with, obviously, your 4 sets of props and the screws as well. You'll notice on the screws, they do come with some type of Loctite or thread lock on. Don't you see that on the camera there? They do come with a little bit of that on. Okay, so first things first, let's get the original props removed. Let's start with this corner, and these are your A props. You'll notice on the original A props they have a little mark there. There's also one on the arm as well. You can see it there. That's your little mark there. That's how you know that they're your A's. If you match them up, you'll notice the Master Airscrew are slightly longer. Same quality, just very slightly longer, I'd say. The other thing you'll want to be aware of is they're not marked up with A and B on these. They're actually marked with N for normal and R for reverse. So bear in mind that your N is your A prop. There is a little mark on them. I don't think you'll see it on the camera, but there's a little N on this one which matches up with the A of the original. And then obviously R on this one. Again, you can't see it, but there is an R. I'll try and get a picture and put it on for you. There is an R up the top there which matches with your B props of your original. So let's get all the props off now and fit the new ones. Can be very fiddly to fit, so just take your time when you put them on. Make sure you don't cross thread anything. Another thing is, when you do tighten them up, make sure you don't over tighten them. You want them tight, not overly tightened. If you are changing your props, I do recommend using a magnetic screwdriver. It does come in useful. So there we go. That's your installation of the props. Do look good, in my opinion. So what we'll get it fired up now, and we'll check out the sound on it, see if there's any difference. Just to be aware, the master airscrew props are 2 grams heavier than the original. So there you go, guys. That just about wraps it up. What do you think of them? For me, I think they might have a slightly different pitch. Not too sure if they're any quieter, but that could just be the app I've been using for the decibels. What we'll do is we'll get it out when the weather's a bit better, test it out properly, see if there's any noticeable difference. In the meantime, drop any comments if you've used them in the past. Let me know what you think of them. Be interesting to know. I'll leave a link in the description if you do want to purchase any. These ones were off Amazon. I think they're about £15. Also, just before I go, don't forget I've still got the giveaway competition running till next Thursday for the Wi-Fi strobe light. If you want to be in a chance to winning that, then drop a comment on that video. Yeah, that's it. Hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care for now.